Twitter has threatened to sue Meta Platforms over its new Threads platform in a letter sent to the Facebook parent CEO Mark Zuckerberg. Twitter intends to strictly enforce its intellectual property rights and demands that Meta take immediate steps to stop using Twitter trade secrets. No one on the Threads engineering team is a former Twitter employee. That's just not a thing, Meta spokesperson Andy Stone said. Carl Pei's hardware startup Nothing has introduced a new color variant for its TWS earbuds, the Nothing Ear 2. The earbuds are now available in black, in addition to the original white option. Nothing has also announced improvements to its Nothing X app, headlined by a new function. Emad Mostaque is the founder and CEO of Stability AI. In a recent interview, he said that there will be no programmers in the next 5 years. Mostaque also claimed that by the end of next year, people will have ChatGPT on their smartphones without the internet. The Threads app is now available to download for free on the Apple App Store and Google Play Online Store in over 100 countries, including India. The platform primarily revolves around text conversation, and your posts called threads are limited to 500 characters each. Unlike Twitter, there's no way to edit threads once you have posted them. ISRO's new heavy-lift launch vehicle LVM-3 will carry out the moon mission. The Chandrayaan-3 mission carries scientific instruments to study the thermophysical properties of the lunar regolith. The lander will have the capability to soft land at a specified lunar site.